How to verify and connect your freelancer account with Facebook. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can verify and connect your freelancer account with Facebook. So how do we do it? Let's go. The first step is to log in into your freelancer account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged into your freelancer account, you'll be taken to the page where you would see some tabs which include dashboard, list, tax list, my project, inbox, feedback, free credit, project updates, etc. And then once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen and then click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop down menu will appear. In this drop down menu, you can see some options. Okay, just go ahead and select settings. After selecting settings, you will go to the settings page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar. I just scroll down and select trust and verification. After selecting that, you will be brought to the trust and verifications page where you would see trust score. So you can just read through this trust score to know more about it, and then you can now scroll down and click on connect with Facebook, as you can see. All right, so after clicking on connect with Facebook, a window will be displayed on the page that would allow you to continue with the connection process. So you can see freelancer is requesting access to your name and profile picture and email address. So you can just click on continue as a bio, and then wait for the page to load, right? So once it has loaded just like that, you can see that your Facebook has been verified and it has also been connected to your freelancer account. It is so simple. Trust me. Ensure you try this out. All right. Thanks for watching and have a good day.